Hello, this video is for anybody who wants to learn their handspring or maintain or perfect their handspring. We're going to do variations of the inverted D. This is a wonderful starting position because it's low to the floor, it's very safe, and it's going to build up our muscles and technique. The first step that we're going to do is the setup from the floor with our true grip hand grip. So I'm going to put one foot here at the base of the pole. I'm going to drop my torso down. I can soften this knee. I'm going to pull the other knee to my shoulder. I've got to get that foot up above. Now from here, I'm going to use my flexibility to try to get my legs wide so that I can reach that top arm up underneath that foot. I'm going to pull with my elbow and I'm going to lengthen my spine as much as I can. From here, I'm going to relax this arm down, shake it out. Open up that palm, connect with that full bracket grip. Now this bottom elbow, it's very important that I have that really nice alignment. Making sure that I'm not wrapping the finger and hyperextending. Rather, I microbend that elbow, connect the palm, keep that index finger pointed down. Once here, I'm going to push that bottom arm, pull with my top arm, lengthen the spine, and then I'm going to drop my ear to my shoulder and zip my legs up. I'm going to focus on pushing my bottom arm immediately up into my ears as I bring those legs together. I can gently release back out of that position there. That's going to be your starting point. What you want to focus on is that bottom arm pushing into your shoulder maximum. You're not leaving any room for space between that shoulder because that's going to cause you to collapse. Before your hips get overhead, I want that push maxed out. That's my foundation. It's going to put me in the right place and everything else will stack up underneath it. Let's look at that one more time. Once we do that a few times and we feel really solid, boop, I can start pulling knees to shoulders, hips back for my straddle, working through that handspring position. Now you can always just step down to the floor whenever you need to. Make sure we're starting with that true grip. I want a nice straight wrist, nice strong arm. Once I feel comfortable with that and I've got my shoulder mobility happening, I can also try my twisted grip. Be careful with this one, make sure that it's set up properly. I'm going to pull my chest down and get that top foot there. I'm going to use this bottom elbow. From here, I'm going to take that arm into my twisted grip. Now this is where I want to push those shoulders on the bottom and make sure I keep a long neck, zipping those legs up, finding my nose in line with the pole, belly button in line with the pole for that handspring. Those are your variations for your inverted D. They're going to get you really strong and get your body understanding that alignment. It's going to make your handsprings a cinch. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.